Hi, in this week's Canva quick tip, I'm going to look at one of the features I introduced last week with Canva Docs, which is Magic Write, an AI content generator. It's all done by artificial intelligence, and it just really helps you write posts, introductions to videos, whatever you need to do. As I only showed it briefly last week, and it is such a fabulous feature, I just think it's worthwhile going through in more detail. I'm Kim Morrison from Be Your Own Graphic Designer and a Canva champion. Be Your Own Graphic Designer is a website with unique images that you can use in your website, on social media posts, and in videos. It's really compatible with Canva, and in fact, many of our images are already on the Canva website under Canva Pro, and you just type in BYOGD and it'll pull up the images for you to choose from. I'm now going to go across to my Canva screen to show you Magic Write. I'm here on my home screen, and I'm just going to click on Start Writing under Doc. I've now got a document that's been opened up in Canva, and from last week, you might remember this plus button is where you get all the features that you can use in Docs. I'm going to click on this, and then click on Magic Write, which is the first one here. And this is going to ask me to write something. First, I'll try their example so you can see just how it works. They come up with 5 Twitter posts announcing a product launch for a new alarm clock. And then you just have to press Enter to confirm, and Magic Write will go away and do its stuff. As you can see, the tip is starting with an outline is a great way to start. And you can see these are great. Wake up on time with our new alarm clock, and it's added hashtags, which is brilliant. Very easy and very quick. I'm going to add another one now, and I'll do it from scratch. I'm going to put in, describe this new Magic Write AI content generator. I'm going to ask it to describe itself. I'll press Enter. You can use up to 200 words in your prompt. And it says, Canva's new Magic Write AI content generator is an innovative tool, and it certainly is, that helps you create high-quality content quickly and easily. And it's incredibly fast. It uses artificial intelligence to suggest and generate content ideas based on your topic, giving you access to an endless stream of creative material. With its intuitive user interface, you can customize the generated content to make it unique and tailored to your needs. Magic Write is sure to revolutionize how you create content and save you time. I might use that as my introduction on YouTube. I'm going to click again and show you something else. I'm going to do something on a completely different subject. It's not connected with design, it's not connected with marketing. I'm going to do 5 tips for the HR industry, human resources, for employers. I'll do taking on a new employee. Then I'm going to press Enter. And these are great. 5 tips to make sure to clearly communicate job expectations, provide necessary training, show appreciation for the new employee's efforts, foster an open and collaborative work environment, and take the time to get to know each new employee. These, I think, are really useful, but you can write about anything. I'm going to just put in one that's completely random and do a story about a little girl and a horse. And let's see what we get with this. Oh, this is amazing. I actually missed out a little girl. In the story about a little girl and her horse, it's got 3 or 4 paragraphs. Once upon a time, there's a little girl named Molly. They've even given her a name, who dreamed of having her own horse. And that's so true. I'm a horse lover, so this has really appealed to me. But this is great. She loved galloping through the fields. It is a complete story. It can be creative and different and doesn't have to be about business. That's Magic Write. I just had to demonstrate it because I think it's such a fantastic tool. It's absolutely brilliant and so easy to use. I hope that helps, and I'll see you next week.